My name is Jenna Pilant, and I'm a style-crazed full-time creative living in sunny San Diego. In 2016, my husband and I purchased our forever home, and now, in between balancing my upholstery business, our 4 dogs, and just life in general, I'm going to renovate our home room by room, project by project myself, with some fun help from a few of my friends along the way. And I'm going to share it all with you right here on YouTube. So, are you ready to see a room bloom? Hi guys, today's the day. I'm ready to reveal which room of our house I'm starting with first. Are you ready? And the winner is the family room. The family room honestly seemed like the most logical place to start, since this is where our little family hangs out most nights of the week. The only problem with starting with the family room is, well, the same reason we decided to start with it in the first place. It's our family room. So if the room we congregate in the most is under construction, where are we going to get our nightly Netflix fix and give those oh so important doggy belly rubs? Dee and I had to figure out where to have some temporary family quarters. And since the formal living room has no furniture in it whatsoever, it was the perfect fit. And luckily, Dee was game helping me with some of the heavy lifting. Most of the furniture in the family room is from Dee's bachelor days. Clean cut and designed with dark brown leather. The sides table wood stumps I hunted down on Etsy during our first year of courtship. And I actually built that pipe-legged console table for our guest room when we were still living in Carlsbad. All great pieces, but they will not be making a return to the family room, and will instead stay in the formal living room for the unforeseeable future. In the family room, the areas I'm most excited to tackle are the fireplace, building shelving above the lower built-in cabinets, and constructing a second pony wall to match the original. I also can't wait to get rid of that awful almond color on the walls, update the ceiling fan, and breathe some color into the space. We're going to need a more family-friendly sofa, and Dee has requested I come up with some sort of comfy chair for him right in front of the television. Sounds like my guy. I am so eager to make my first room bloom for y'all. My upholstery mentor, Eric Duvall, may he rest in peace, used to drive me nuts because he would tell people I was a designer instead of an upholsterer. And at the time, I would get all butthurt about it because all I wanted to be was an upholsterer. But Eric knew better. He could see I had talent that I hadn't yet discovered in myself. And now here I am, about to embark on my first ever interior design project. I mean, do you have any idea how good it feels to take a chance on yourself? That good. Tune in next week when I start renovation demolition on the family room. It's sure to be a messy one.